All right, guys, welcome back to another video in understanding your camera settings series with Photographics Academy. So today we're going to be looking at this particular part. The last previous videos we did, we have already explained what these buttons does. So if you have not watched that video, go down, scroll down, you are going to see the video on understanding this particular area. But in this one, we're going to be looking at this place, and I'm of course going to show you where your memory card slot is at the end of the day. So what does all of this do? Let me start from this particular mechanical buttons over here that are very crucial. So this particular two metal buttons you are looking at right here is where you put your strap. Okay, of course, you know what your strap is. For protection, to guide your camera, you can put the strap on your neck, you can attach it to whatever you want to attach, but this is where you put your strap. And this over here is your program button. Okay, this over here is your program button. This one in the middle, remember we are working with D750. Some of your cameras may not have this lock. Okay, this particular one in the middle is where you lock your program. So let's say we want to put it in our aperture priority. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this lock down. It means that this has been released. I will just turn this like this into my aperture priority, release it, and it's locked. So no matter how much I try turning, I'm not going to be able to turn it until I unlock it to return it to my manual mode. If you look under, you're going to see another button right here, and there is a lock for it. So this one simply means where you set how your camera behaves around the environment. This doesn't necessarily affect anything in your exposure, it just affects the way your camera behaves. And this is your flash mount. This is where you mount both your flash, your remote, and all of other stuff that you want to mount on top of your camera. This is where you mount it. And this is your mini LED screen on top of your camera. Now you should know this, not all DSLR cameras have this. I think this started coming in from the D7100. That's where you will start seeing this mini LED screen that just gives you access to a very quick setting right here. So if you don't want to go into your menu, you just want to do quick settings, this is where you do it. This is your speed, your aperture, and all of that. Of course, we'll take our time to explain what is inside there. So moving forward, you have your metering mode button. So this button over here is where you do your metering mode, your matrix, your spot metering, your center weight metering, all of that. This is the button that controls it. And this over here is your exposure compensation. Let me bring it close for you to see. So you see your plus and your minus. This is where you do your EV, right? Your exposure compensation or whatever. And this is your record button. So let's say you are in video mode. This is where you press and your camera starts recording, and this is where you press and your camera stops recording. This particular one over here is your power button. So if I turn it towards the left or right, it turns the camera on. If I turn it this way, it turns it off. And this is your shutter button, where you click to focus and also to take your picture. Remember I said in the previous one that you can as well focus from here. So if you are focusing from here, this serves as just your shutter button. But if you are not focusing from here, this serves as both your focus button and your shutter button. The last one is our memory card slot. So if I turn this over here, you are going to see this slot right here. You just push it out like this, and you see where you can slot any memory card or your SD card into any of the two slots that are made available in your Nikon D750. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.